Dear students, this recording is about the marketing analytics practical. So in marketing analytics practicals, we are having 10 marks for internal for this practical. So in this practical, what I have given, what are all the input data I have shared with you, then what are all things you are going to do that is coming under the process. After that, the output file. The output file refers to the how you are going to upload in the Google form. All these things have been given. So kindly go through that one. As per that one, we are giving the sales of one company, that is sales of TV. Then you have to get the Amazon reviews of any TV. Anyhow, I have given the Sony Bravia TV. Then customer reviews about the TV that I have given in the Excel sheet. Okay. So you are going to estimate the TV sales using the forecast function. Then you are going to divide the sales based upon the pivot table. Then you are using the solver function. You are going to fix the target. If you want to achieve 10 lakh sales, what will be the actual sales? Okay. Then the meaning cloud. Using the meaning cloud, how you can classify the segments. Then the exercise from the software, that is SPSS. You are asked to create the responses. You have to create the cluster. Then based upon the cluster, you have to find out the preference. Okay. These are all the things you are going to do in the practical. You will be given maximum 1 hour to do the practical. So listen clearly. We will discuss how to do all these exercise once again. Yes, let us see the first example of the Excel. We have given the unit sold as well as the month. That is monthly sales have been given. You are asked to forecast that one. Okay. The forecasting is already available. So what I am doing, I am selecting these two things, going to data, you can see the forecast sheet. Once you click the forecast sheet, you will get the output. So you have to click the create. Yes, now the forecast for February, March, April, and May, they are given. So here in this forecast, you have to understand that what is the minimum sales we will expect, what will be the maximum, what will be the normal one. Okay. So it is mentioned in here also, forecast in sales unit, what is the lower confidence, what is the upper confidence. So in case of May 22, they have estimated that the sales will be around 92,142. That will be the sales they have forecasted. So you have to write the conclusion about the forecast. This is the forecast. I have to paste separately. Yes. Forecast of sales. That is the answer. Okay. Immediately you can rename that one as forecast. And now you have calculated the forecast. So this is the maximum target we can go. It has been mentioned in the forecast table. Coming to the next one, creating the pivot tables. So once again, you can select the data, you can go to the insert pivot table. This there. You have to create in the new worksheet. Yes, now the pivot table fields will come. You can find out the monthly sales, units sold. Then based upon that, you can find out the filters. You can see that 1/4 sales. What are all the quarter sales? It has been given. And if you identify the quarter sales, how you have to report that one? As we have studied, using the formatting style. Go to the home. You can give the different scale colors. This is the visualization of the sales, how you can project the sales. See that one in the sales, green color mark that the sales is good. You can see 3,47,333. That is the highest sales. And lowest sales, that is 1,83,553 has been marked as the red. That is the pivot table analysis. Based upon that, you have to write the conclusion here. Conclusion about the sales, the least sales in Q1. And you have to find out clearly what is the reason beyond that one. However, it is remaining data we have not given. So the least sales in Q1, least sales in Q2, not Q1, sorry. The least sales have been given in the Q2 because it is marked as the red. Whereas the highest sales is in Q1, it is marked as the green. That is how we can find out that one. You can see the how we can expand the different sales. Yes. This is how they are projecting the sales. And this sheet you can rename as the pivot. Okay. Then once again coming to the main sheet. Now there's a question, what is the total sales? If you want to convert into 10 lakhs. So already they achieved the 10 lakh sales. So if you want to get exactly the 10 lakh sales, what will be the projection for all these 13 months? But here the projection has been done for the 1 year. So what I am doing, this one I am deleting. Okay, this is the 1 year sales. So how to estimate the sales if you want to fix the target as 10 lakhs? So what I am doing, and go to the solver. In solver, set objectives, go to that one. You can fix the set objectives, the total sales. The total sales value will be 10 lakhs. So yes. Yes, total values will be 10 lakhs. So these are all the things, variables we can change. That's changing the variables. So what will be the sales? We can inform the solver to complete. You can see that one, the solver solution, okay. So this is the total sales of 10 lakhs. So if you want to achieve the 10 lakh sales, you can see the answer. In the month of January, it should be 53,689. So what you have to do, you have to copy that one and create the new sheet, paste it. Instead of January 21, you have to go for 22 because you are projecting for the next year. What will be the sales target for the next one? Okay. So in the same manner, you can change the data. That is for 22. So for the year 22, we are estimating the sales should be like that. So our marketing plan should plan in such a manner that you have to achieve this thing. Okay, you can rename that one as solver. Okay, these are all the things you must know in the Excel. However, you have to write the conclusion clearly. We have forecasted. Then you can see the February sales we have forecasted 88,051. But the result here shows that we can have 1,04,894. That means in this month, we have to work hard. That is the very important thing you must know. Our forecast says that maximum during the February month, we are able to go up to 1,29,029. So the solver is also saying you can go up to 1,04,894. So that how we are fixing the sales quota. So this is the sales quota and it is achievable. So you have to mention that one clearly. Sales quota. Okay, these are all the things you have to do in the Excel. Okay. Yes. Yes, now we will see the SPSS. You can see the sample data, how I downloaded from Excel and included here. First is the responses. Promotion, there are around 5 types, so I reduced to 5, but I mentioned PROMO because in case of variable definition, we can't give more like that. Then price, brand, durability, size, color, smart TV. These are all the cluster variables except promotion. So how to analyze this thing in SPSS? First, we have to go for the clustering process. So you can go for the classification. You can go for k-means of cluster. We have to find out what are all the different group of customers, good, medium, and low level. Okay. So what I'm doing, I am creating the 3 clusters. Promotion we should not include because that is the independent variable. Remaining variable, I am creating price, brand, durability, size, color, smart TV. Okay, I'm doing maximum 10 iteration, continue. Save the variables, the cluster membership and continue. Okay. Option cluster center, that's all. You can see the variables, the cluster numbers it created around 3 cluster. First cluster is only 8. 7 cluster, sorry, second cluster comes around 72 and third cluster comes around 19. That is out of 100 customers, we are having only 8 very, very good customers. Be clear, that is how the cluster has been created. And you can copy this one and paste in your Excel sheet the cluster number. Okay. Then coming to the cluster analysis, the results are here. At the end of the cluster numbers, everything. So you can See that one, it is mentioned as QCL1. So now we have grouped the customers. So the clustering process been over. Now what I'm doing, we are going for the ROC analysis. Okay. ROC analysis is at the end. So we have to test cluster variables. Since one is having very less, I am going to find out how many medium customers are there. So value of the state variable 2 with the responses. Okay. I used to create the diagonal reference line, standard error. Then options. Yes, it is there. Yes, it has given the values. That is the sensitivity of the cluster 2. It is given clearly. That means that the area comes under the ROC curve is 0.62. It created the segment. So it means that the medium level customers, they are very much cut through the promotion. You can also convert into other line. You can see that one, the reverse clusters. Yes. The responses here. In reverse side, it is not working because you can see the cluster variables are very, very less. So it means that our cluster results are correct. That means the medium level customers are highly inclined with the promotion. That means if we increase the promotion, we can convert our medium level customers into good customers. That is what the suggestion. So in next stage, you have to find out how we can convert the medium level customers into high level customers. What type of promotion we can give. What is the main preference of these customers, that we have to find out. Okay. Yes. I'm giving the promotion, price, brand, durability, size, color, smart, and okay. You can see that one, I have given the different promotion based upon the cluster 2. We conclude that we are able to convert the medium level customers. So now which one they prefer high? You can see the area which is promotion, price, brand, promotion is possible. And they are moving towards the first one, the red color. Color is having the more variations. That is 0.931. Can see the red color followed by the size. So the customers are inclined with the color of the televisions. That is what type of color preference we can get from the television. So if you want to attract the medium level customers, you have to showcase the color preference level of the particular TV. That is what the report says that. So you can conclude that in this example, the promotion is playing the vital role in converting the medium level customers into the high level customers. And in the promotional part, the color is the main variable which we can use to attract the medium level customers to convert into a good level customers, followed by the once the size. Of course, everybody will prefer the high size, and the price is the least one. You can see that one. Usually price will be the main component, but here it says that price is the least one. So our customers are heavily inclined with the color preference and the size of the TV. Then only we are able to convert our customers into the good customers. These are the conclusion you have to write. Regarding the meaning cloud, I am not using any software here. Anyhow, you know about the meaning cloud. We have already discussed in the class. That also you have to add. You have to download the reviews from at least 10 reviews from Amazon and paste it in the Excel sheet. Use the meaning cloud to differentiate that one. These are all the exercises you must know. You have to write the conclusion clearly. Okay. With this introduction, be ready for the exam. Possibly if there are 2 hours on Monday, you will have the exam. Thank you.